Shri Sangma M. Marak, AKHAF Publicity Secretary, had written requisition letter to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to take emergency action for those who are starving without food in the flood-affected area in southwest Khasi Hills. He also said that the people of Gilagora area under Ranikor southwest Khasi Hills have been badly affected due to the inclement weather and the incessant rain. In certain parts or families of the mentioned area, the people are facing a lot of problems due to the scarcity of the daily essential things, namely rice, dal, sugar, drinking water, shelter, net service and electricity, etc. That the rice stocks, shops and markets also have been badly affected due to the incessant heavy rain. The PWD road from Ranikor to Bakmara has been badly affected and completely blocked to and fro motion or movement of the vehicles. The affected areas under southwest Khasi Hills are Moheshokla area, Ranikor area and Rinku area, including Rengdim area and Kalu area under Maushindrot C and RD block, West Khasi Hills. The people of the affected area are staying in the relief camp, seeking the assistance of the government as well as the concerned authorities. Therefore, AKHAF urged the government to provide the relief fund to the distressed people of the mentioned area affected by natural calamities.